A car takes 3 hours to travel certain distance at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. If it travels at a speed of 75 kilometers per hour, how much will it take? Now, we have the original speed as 50 kilometers per hour and the new speed as 75 kilometers per hour. So we can say that the ratio of speeds is equal to 2 is to 3. So for a constant distance, the ratio of the corresponding times will be the reverse, that is 3 is to 2. Now, we already know that it takes 3 hours to travel at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. So we have to find out the time in which the car will travel at 75 kilometers per hour. So we have 3 is to 2 is equal to 3 is to x. So we can easily get the answer as x is equal to 2 hours. So answer will be option C.